This is the one with Chris. Well, it's November and we got some snow here in Sweden. Kind of tricky to walk. Some years back, I got a gift card from the company I worked at. From that gift card, you could pick out a Christmas gift you wanted, be it towels or wine glasses. But I did find this Oriforce hunting chainsaw. Small little handy pocket chainsaw. Looks like an ordinary chainsaw chain with blades on it. Got two straps to hold on. And I was Googling it and looking around and I was thinking, is it a gimmick or can it actually be used for something? So I'm gonna give it a try and see, is it anything to have? Is it a gimmick or something actually useful? So let's go in and see if there's a suitable tree to try out the saw on. Okay, so here we have a tree that is, I don't know, 15 centimeters in diameter, and let's try it out here. It feels like it runs pretty smoothly. We'll see in a bit. I'll put in some wedges to prevent the tree from pinching the chain. Time for some wedges here. Let's see. Whoops. Let's see here. Okay, let's try to bring it down here. Phew. There, well, got it down pretty easily. I was quite surprised how easy it was to actually saw down a tree. Not a very big one, but still felled the tree. But how useful is this for trimming branches? It's kind of awkward doing branches, trimming off branches from either felled logs or trimming off branches like this. Here I think it's easier using a folding saw or an axe. This is a lot easier than having to fold the saw over the branch. So this hand chainsaw, I was a little bit surprised. I thought it was a gimmick, but it was quite efficient taking down a tree. Not a big one, but still took it down. It was maybe 15 or 20 centimeters in diameter. Very efficient. And you can see here the saw blades cutting both ways. So it's easy to maintain this. You can use the same kind of file as you have for an ordinary chainsaw. What would I use it for? Well, here on the lot, yes, I would still use an ordinary chainsaw to take down trees, but this is quite handy to have along. Well, I still like I still have my small little Fiskars X5 axe, and I do enjoy my foldable Baco saw. But I'm thinking, what uses for this? Well, Maybe not in a everyday carry or survival kit, but maybe to keep in the glove compartment of the car. Not very often that we're here in Sweden run into logs across roads, but that would be something to use it for. So all in all, trying to figure out, okay, what to use it for. Don't know, but does it work? Yes, it works, and quite surprisingly well. So, well, I'll leave it at that. All right. Till next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.